Hi guys, welcome to Kim Studios. I am here to show you all my hair. Got this top, so pretty, from Pretty Little Thing. Got these rings from just various places. I know a lot of you are asking me about, not really, but asking me about where I got my things from. And yeah, that's where I got it. Have you guys seen our latest video, our outfit of the day? Hey everybody, it's Kim with Jolie Noire, back with another video. I did an Insta story poll the other day on a picture of my side profile showing my hairstyle. It's the one that I have right now. It's the balls. It's like a trendy natural girl hairstyle with the balls going down in a ponytail. And overwhelmingly, the majority of people said that they wanted to see a short tutorial on this hairstyle. So I am here to oblige. If you're not following me, follow me at Keys Deluxe Life. Follow Keyondra at Keyondra Lockett. And then follow us on at JolieNoire and at JolieNoire Apparel. I hope that you guys do enjoy this hair tutorial. It is a brief tutorial showing you how I got this hairstyle. But before you watch this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can know every time we get videos up to you guys and you won't miss a thing. And then if along the video you see something that you like, give us a thumbs up. We want to keep going, we want to keep building, we want to keep growing. And share this video. Share it with anyone that you know and let them know what your girls are doing. So first what I'm going to start with is the hair. So what I did with this hair, I need to co-wash this. So I braided some braid hair, some synthetic hair, and put it on the little band that comes with it. And then I did I sewed the two bundles on here, and then I just left a long piece so that it can go up the hair. And then, so what I do is I open a part like that, and then I thread my real hair, my braided hair through it. Here's my braid. So I just braid my hair. I'm starting today with it slicked down already. I just use gel. I use actually aloe vera gel and Eco Styler gel. I use Pantene Pro V's hair milk for the moisturizer, and then I use my hair oil to seal my hair. That's how how I did everything to slick it down. And I just use, of course, a brush, and I just part it. And I like a deep part. So you do it however you want, however you slick down your hair. That's how you, of course, achieve the slick down hair. If you do want to see how I achieve slicking down my hair, then you can go to another one of my videos that I did where I'm doing that. And I can also do an updated video if you guys want me to. Like I said, I start by using the band, and then I take it and I wrap it around the base of my braid. So I do that twice, just so that it can have a secure wrap, so it can be secure on there. Just like this. And then so my braid is here. Here's where the other part is. And then I just take this part, open up, and then I thread through. And then make sure that this is all the way to the base. So it should look something like this. And then I take it and I open up another part. Now it's tighter now because we've already opened up, so it's going to be just a little bit tougher. And then thread that through. So now it's like it's one braid, basically, because I threaded my hair through. So this part I just leave there, and I just wrap. But since I've been doing this, I don't do very many bobby pins. I actually just use a couple. And you're just wrapping. I'm going to bring it over my shoulder so that you guys can see. I'm keeping it fairly tight so that it won't move, because I'm not using any other bobby pins other than a couple. And I wrap about 2 times before I move on to the next upward motion, I guess you could say. Once I get up here, I just bring it back around. At that point, I'm at the top almost, and I just start to wrap. again. So now we're at the base again, and you're just gonna keep wrapping. So we're almost at the end. So you just wrap, pull that tight, and then I take a little bit of this hair, kind of pull it out like this, and then I just wrap it around the base again. And then I use the bobby pin to secure that part in place. I'm only using 2 bobby pins to secure the base. And these are the bobby pins that I use. I use just the regular basic ones, nothing too fancy. So that first one goes under the base, and then this one I just stick somewhere at the top to keep it secure. So now you have your ponytail. You definitely could just fluff it out and go like this. This is how, if I'm wearing it like this is how I'll do it. I'll just keep it, I'll just fluff it and pick in it and things like that until it's done. The way that I got the balls that you saw was I took the hair, so this hair is really, it's thick for these small rubber bands. I have these kind of rubber bands, these just regular standard rubber bands, and they're not that wide. So what I have to do, I have to start at the bottom here, at the thinnest part, and then just work my way up. And as I'm working my way up, I'm making sure that I have all of the hair in there. I remember when Keyondra and I used to have dolls, and we used to try to do stuff like this. This kind of reminds me of when we used to have dolls, because we used to have to do like a little makeshift stuff, like when we were making their dresses and stuff. We used to have to do this. So then you have something like this. When you have your ball, it's gonna kind of fluff to make it round. And then anything that's not fixed initially, you can adjust when you have all of the bands. I just kind of fluff a little bit just so that I can make sure that I have the form and not take away from the hair that I need in this bigger ball. It just depends on how big you want your balls as to how far up you're gonna go. So for the last one, what I did, I just wrapped it twice because it is the thinner part of the hair, and I'm just gonna leave all of this loose. Now what I'm gonna do is take them and fluff them out. And if you have loose hairs, I think that's okay because it's kind of it makes it have texture, but you can also tuck them within the ball and that'll make it stay in, but I think it's fine. So what I do to make sure that it's okay, I just turn to a mirror. I'm gonna take my phone and see if I can use it because I didn't bring a mirror in here. And so there you have it. It's a very simple hairstyle. When I first saw this hairstyle done, I actually saw it on Channing Lily's channel. I'll link her below so that you guys can see how she did it. I actually got this hair extension situation idea from a base idea for a braid that she did. And then I think even for this hairstyle, she did it with Marley hair. And so I'm doing it with bundles of curly hair. But I definitely got the idea from her. I thought it was a really cool idea and something that's really convenient and very easy. Like this cuts my getting dressed time in half. Also, it helps me to be able to sleep at night because I didn't like sleeping with the ponytail in my hair. So, cause like any other way, like with all the bobby pins, it's heavy and it's more permanent. You know, you have to take it out and you have to do a lot more work. But with this way, you don't do all of that work. You just put it in. It took no time at all to do that. So if you're thinking about doing this hairstyle, I say go ahead and do it. If you do it, let us know. Tell us in the comments that you did it. Share with us on our Instagram pages that you did it. We want to see it. So if you guys did like this video, please like it, please comment on it, and please subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Bye.